Happy Thursday, guys. Some of you are starting to work on your Friday stuff because you finished that middle column on the week at a glance sheet. And I just wanted to talk something over quick just so that we don't have you guys having to redo something. So Friday's math looks a little bit different than what we have been doing. You've been working in your math journal, but if you take a look at the week at a glance, Friday's math says to watch the video and then the study link picture in Schoology. Okay, so the study link picture, you're not working in your math journal, you're working on something that's in Schoology. And what you're going to do is create a seesaw video solving numbers 3 and 4. So if you go into our math folder up here and click on Unit 8, and then you go into Lesson 3, after you watch the video, okay, it tells you your assignment like it always does. In here, it tells you your assignment. Here is the study link. So you'd click on the study link and open it up. So it's going to open a document that has the problems in there. So all you are focused on is looking at number 3 and 4 in here and solving it. Okay, you're going to tell us the area of number 3 and the number model that you used, and you're going to tell us the area and the number model for 4. But you are going to walk us through how you solved it. Okay, so whether you trace your computer screen and put this on a sheet of paper to show us on Schoology, or if you just tell us the area and you walk us through how you solved it just by speaking into Schoology, saying I multiplied this number by this number, I found the number by doing this, and just walk us through it. That's all you have to do, and you only have to do these 2 problems. Okay, but it's not in your math journal. It is in Schoology, and you just open up Study Link 9.6. Okay, let us know if you have any questions.